Hello South Africa. Dumelang, Sawubona, Molo, Nda, all the languages in South Africa. Ngiyanibingelela all 9. It's 9 or 10 languages because there is sign language as well. So ngiyanibingelela nonke South Africa ngithi here is another level from Ezinohlonze newspaper sesi upgrade njengamanje. Sibheke la sibheke khona sesine Ezinohlonze media podcast. Ezinohlonze media podcast ibhekelena na sikhuluma ngani, sikhuluma ngepolitiki la, sikhuluma ngezemidlalo, sikhuluma ngeart, sikhuluma ngezamabusiness, sikhuluma ngayo yonke into ekhona emhlabeni eSouth Africa esibhekene nayo. So nawe mawukuthi mhlawumbe une-NPO, une-business, mhlawumbe une-event, uya umculi, uka-acting, usakwisoccer, ukwipolitiki, this is your platform. Ivulelekile. The only thing ongayisenzela yona wena ukuthi usifonele kule number ethi 064 110 4657. Uzosithola lapho. Usifonele njengamanje. Ezinohlonze media podcast. Sesifikile. Levels mjana.